Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safi Cahyo Priyadipto.
My name is Raka Atrian Kais.
My name is Sucindrani and usually called Suci.
And I'm from Group 8. Wanna explain our material. Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Rational Law number 20 of 2003 on the National Education System, Article 40, paragraph 1.c. Educators' right to improve learning quality. Educators are obligated to create a meaningful, enjoyable, creative, dynamic, and dialogical atmosphere. ISBD as a foundation course underpins other courses in social science and humanities. Two main elements: human as cultural beings, Homo humanus, and humans as social beings, Zun Politikon. UNESCO have four mission pillars of learning. The first is learning to know, the second one is learning to do, the third one learning to be, and the fourth learning to live together harmoniously. The scope of ISBD. ISBD is integrate social science and cultural knowledge, use a combined approach, human as social beings and their interaction, and human as cultural beings and their humanity. Classification of knowledge by Prof. Dr. Harsja Bakhtiar. First is natural science, the second one is social science, and the third one is cultural knowledge. A. Natural science is aim to understand the order of the universe. The second one is use the scientific method. B. Social science aim to understand the order of human relationship. Use the scientific method as a reference. Findings are not 100% accurate as human relationships are constantly changing. For the example is economics, sociology, politics, demography, psychology, social anthropology, and legal sociology. C is cultural knowledge, aim to understand and interpret human reality, use the method of revealing unique events and statements, then interpreting them. For mostly in written works, for the example, philosophy, art, history, cultural anthropology, law, and religion. Human as being, Zun Politikon, innate humans cannot live alone and develop freely without living together, interaction within social groups. And human as cultural beings, Homo humanus, innate from birth, humans are equipped with intellect, feelings, will, soul, and emotions. Humanity studies human value as a cultural beings. Objective of ISBD have two objectives. The first one is general objective, and the second one is specific objective. The general objective is develop human personality as social and cultural beings, develop the ability to respond critically and with broad insight to social, cultural, and environmental issues, develop the ability to solve this problem critically, analytically, responsively, wisely, and humanly. And the specific objective is sharpen sensitivity to social, cultural, and environmental issues, broaden perspectives on social, culture, and humanitarian issues, and develop critical thinking skills. Produce featured leaders who are not parochial and not compartmentalized. Foster the ability to think and act objectively, raise awareness of human values and human life. Humans and culture. Culture is the shared knowledge, values, custom, and practice learned, transmitted, and maintained by a group of people. Is not inherited biologically but acquired through social interaction. Culture can also be seen as a system of symbol or objective gesture and words that carry meaning and communicate idea within a community. Element of culture, value, core belief considered important by a group, norms or unwritten rules and expectation that govern behavior, symbols, object, gesture, or word carrying meaning within a culture, language, a powerful tool for communication and cultural transmission, technology, tools, skills, and knowledge used to produce goods and meet societal needs. Art and literature reflect and shape cultural values and belief. Social institution, family, education, religion, and government play a role in transmitting culture. Function of culture provide identify, create a sense of belonging and connection to a community, promote social order, establish expect behavior for stability and cooperation, shapes value and beliefs, transmit core values across generations, provide solution to problems, is develops ways to deal with basic human needs, offers a sense of beauty, enriches life, and fosters creativity to art and expression.
Social and culture issue. Number 1. Poverty. Description refers to the state of being unable to afford basic human needs like food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. Choice. Complex and interrelated, including factors like unemployment, low mix, lack of education, and description. Effects. Poverty can have devastating consequences for individuals and communities, leading to hunger, homelessness, health, and social exclusion. Number 2. Social inequality. Description refers to the unequal distribution of resources, opportunities, and power within a society. Manifestation can take various forms, including economic inequality, gender inequality, racial inequality, and education inequality. Effects. Social and inequality can lead to social unrest, crime, and political instability. Number 3. Crime. Description refers to an act the violates and at the walls and can do harms to individuals or society, and wall types range from minor offense petty theft to major crimes murder. Choice. Complex and include factors like property, social inequality, lack of education, and drugs abuse. Number 4. Environmental pollution. Description refers to the introduction of harmful substances into the environment, which can have negative effect on human health and ecosystems. Types include air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Choice. Human activities like industrial emission, agricultural practices, and deforestation. Effect. Environmental population can lead to respiratory problems, waterborne disease, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. The solution and effort to solving social and cultural problems. Role individual education oneself, understanding the root cause of the social and cultural issue is social for effective action. Volunteer participate in community initiatives and organization addressing their issue. Support sustainable practices. Adopt a sustainable lifestyle to reduce environmental impact. Adopt of change. Raise awareness and advocates for policy change. Role of development. Implement policy development and implement policies that address the root cause of social and cultural issue. Encourage in college programs. Provide funding of programs to support education, healthcare, and social welfare. Promote sustainable development. Support individuals that promote sustainable development and environmental protection. Enforce law. Ensure effective enforcement of laws to address crime and environmental population. Role of society. Promote community and engagement. Encourage community members to participate in finding solutions. Support social activities. Contribute on community-based organization and initiatives addressing social and cultural issues. Forest dialogue and understanding promote open dialogue and understanding between different groups and in society. Encourage responsible behavior. Promote individual responsible and accountability for impact social and the environment. Conclusion. ISBD, an important course to understand human and social and cultural beings. Objective of ISBD, to develop personality, critical thinking skill, and problem solving skill. ISBD have features to respond to social and cultural issues visually. Chapter 2. Human as a creature culture. Learning materials. 1. Definition and cultures and nature cultures. 2. The nature of human cultures creatures. Number 3. Cultures problem. Definition and nature of cultures. Budaya in English include description comes from Latin, namely chorus, which means to process of do. In those cultures equated with cultures can also be in this temperate cultivating land of business farming. Definition of cultures according to several aspects. Koinzaraninrat, cultures is the totality of human idea and works with the must be us the student together from the result of the character. Selo Sumarjan, culture is a man of result society work, stage and creation. Suleiman Sumardi, culture is man of result society work, stage and creation. Herb office, culture is something that is hereditary from one generation to another generation, which is a later varied to a superparagnate that cultures goes beyond the organization or individual for expand my knowledge system owned by one individual can be spread to many other individuals becomes part of society itself. J.J. Hoynickman defines cultural form becomes formation of idea. Idea cultures can be collection of idea concepts that value norms, collection rule cannot be taught of sense abstract the manifestation of people mind, so difference idea in idea comes from the result of idea different group society will products. Form of artifact works result. Artifact as defined of form of cultures in the form of object created by human then can be touched, sent or documented. The form of the artifact can be cited to. Form of activity. Form of activity and cultures can be sent from the result of action that are pertinent from society itself. This form of action of frequent of scaled society system. Social system comes of the result of interaction between communities which has a certain pattern. That helps can be directly visible from life of activities everyday society.
The nature of humans as cultural creators. Humans have a close relationship with culture. Humans are also known as culture. This is due to the pattern of relationship creators. The two are inseparable between. Humans are the creators of culture because humans are gifted by God the ability of reason and effort or mind and power. Armed with these two gifts, humans are capable of creating as well developed culture. Its created culture is result of human with everything in this universe. Interaction this will be different if you look at animal life and the natural surroundings. Animal interaction do not produce a culture, only produce habit that applies to this group of animals. This matter basic social science and culture 24 because animals are not equipped with reason of thoughts but only have loose on animal instinct for survival in his environment.
That's all from our group. We apologize if there any mistaken by us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.